Hello, my name is Armando Ferrer, and today we will show you a tool for project and task management. We will be talking about the multi-platform tool Trello, which will allow to organize work, school, and social activities, organizing in dates and the completion status. In this video tutorial, we will show you an introduction for how to register to use Trello, how to create work boards, create activities, and add collaborators with the planning and assign activities to each of them. A first step, we will focus on the web version of Trello, as it has version for mobile and desktop devices. We go to the following address on the internet, trello.com, and enter on your website. To use Trello, we must have an account already created or create one if we don't have one. For now, we will create a new account. Click on register, it's free. I will show you another screen where we can register with your email or use the other type of email or social networks. We will register an email and we will now use the additional methods. We enter our email and we will be asked for your data. Wait for a moment. We will see an email confirmation alert. We can skip it for now. I will ask you for some basic information for your user panel. You can enter the data. And click follow. I will ask you if we want to create a premium account. We will skip that step and create a basic account. Already. And we will be registered on the platform Trello. We can also close our session and log in with other users we have registered our PC. Okay, for now we are registered in a very simple process to use Trello. With next, we will talk a little more about how to use our board in Trello, how to create activity, add collaborators, and customize our activity panel. Thank you so much.
This is our user panel. To create a workspace, we will click the Add Workspace button on the left sidebar. A pop-up window will open, where we will put a name. We will select a type of workspace. In this case, I select Other Type. And we will put a description. Then we will get the button Continue. In this part, we can add more users, but we will skip this step. Once we have created a workspace, we will click on Add New Board button. This will activate a pop-up window where we can select or write a title. We can also add a background image to personalize our workspace. Then we will click on Create Board. This will send us to our newly created dashboard. Here we can add the columns where each one is a different phase of our activities. We will create 3 columns. The first column is things to do. The second column is in process. And the last column is done. We will add 2 cards as a demonstration. To create a card, we will click on Add a Card. We can open a card by clicking on it. We can add a more detailed description of the card. We can also add users to the card. And we can customize the card with any color or background image in this option. To close the card, we can click anywhere outside of it. We can move our card to the column we want simply by dragging it. That will be the basic use of Trello. As you will see, it is a very easy tool to use. As final tip, we recommend adding an expiration date so that it notifies us of the activities and we do not forget it. We can also customize our dashboard by clicking on Show menu on the right button and selecting Change Background. Here are many themes to choose from. This is all. Thank you for seeing this tutorial.